Hi everybody. So today we are talking about how to set up the your cell phone as a webcam, because now as the coronavirus and many webcams is out of stock, and we need the webcam for the virtual web meetings. Okay, so what app I use this one, the DroidCam app, and you can find this one on the website. DroidCam. Okay, so this is the Android apps, and it's totally free, and you just install on both of your laptops or desktop and your cell phones. So uh, now I'm using my cell phone through this app to connect the webcam. Okay, so first I have the screenshot. Yeah, so first you need to open that app on your cell phone, and you can see the the cell phone should be connected with the same Wi-Fi as your computer connect. And then it will show your webcam, the Wi-Fi IP, and the DroidCam port. So you can then the second step, you open this one, because I already using this one, so I will use the screenshot. Open this one, double click, then you will see this one. You will see the client of the DroidCam, and you put the same device IP, the DroidCam port, as the as shown on here, the first two lines, and click check the video if you want to connect the microphone via your phone. You can also check the audio, and then you click start. Then it's connected. If it's connected, it should be like this, because or I inverse my image, so it should be showing something interface like this one. And then we test how to use this one on the Zoom. We open a Zoom, and we create a meeting, and then we check the start video. Why? Let me pause here. Okay, that makes sense. Because sometimes it asks you to choose which source you use. Before I use source 3. So most of the time we use source 2. Then that will be better, because this fix uh, your image on 30 FPS. So that's enough for our meetings. And you click start video, so then you can see yourself, and you can if others join your meeting, then others can see you. And the settings is here, video settings. And if I choose 3 here, there's nothing. So for this time, I just keep the source 2 for the uh, for this webcam. So I'm using my cell phone as my webcam. So that's it. Hope you like it. Okay. So goodbye.